Sometimes what happens is after preparing the curry or the gravy, we realize that the salt levels are higher. You don't have to discard it completely. Instead, you can repair it using simple steps. So, today I am going to give you a set of three tips. Listen to all the three tips carefully because any one tip might come very useful to you depending on the curry or the gravy you are going to prepare. Other than this, if you have any questions or doubts, you can leave it in the comment section below because we answer to all the questions promptly. Tip number one. Suppose we have to prepare about half liter of the curry or the gravy you have prepared. Then chop two medium sized potatoes into cubes. Wash it well. Now on the gas stove and then add these cubed potatoes into the gravy and start cooking on slow flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. What you will find is after some time when you discard the potatoes, the gravy will taste normal. But aloo doesn't suit everybody. So I have another tip. Tip number two. For the same quantity of the gravy or the curry to be repaired, you can take two heapful teaspoons of atta, add very little water and knead it into small thick balls. Now add this atta balls into the curry or the gravy while cooking and cook it for 15 minutes. What will happen is all the extra salt will be absorbed by the atta and then the curry will taste normal. During this process of reducing the salt in the curry, in case you don't mind increasing the volume of the curry or the gravy prepared, then you can try the tip number three. Here, take a kadai, add about 200 grams of onions chopped and 200 grams of tomatoes. Fry them well. Add other spices other than the salt. Now, to this mixture, add the originally prepared gravy or curry. Mix well, add a little water, half a teaspoon of sugar. Now mix it well. Cook it on slow flame. This helps to reduce the excess salt in the curry prepared.